Well, Portaferry was fortunate enough to acquire funding from the Heritage Lottery Fund, and the Housing Executive match funded that to allow us to renovate 2 properties in a prominent position in Portaferry. These were properties of historic and architectural value.
My favourite spot in Portaferry is actually down at the bottom of Ferry Street, beside the restored house, because I can think about 100 years ago when people, sailors stood there waiting to get on coal boats or potato boats to get work, and when people sailed off to a new life in Canada and America.
And it's a nice place to live, and the Housing Executive has been very good to me as regarding getting started the last few years.
The properties that we have funded are landmark properties just right on the corner of Ferry Street, and will really add to the character of the area. So it's a really exciting and worthwhile project.